Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life. Thank you. All right, Aquarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. The World, Chariot in reverse, Two of Pentacles in reverse, Eight of Pentacles, oh beautiful, Six of Pentacles, center of my spread. That's a beautiful card of equal give and take, and then the Three of Cups as well. Okay, Knight of Cups in reverse, Seven of Wands, and then the Magician. Bottom of my deck, I have the Lovers in reverse, Aquarius. What is going on? I see a bit of blocking. You guys are kind of... one person is almost thinking of shutting this chapter down and saying, hey, I don't want this anymore. I'm dropping it. I just don't want to be in this limbo anymore. Maybe concentrating on themselves, I don't know. These are polar opposite cards. I have the Three of Cups and the Six of Pentacles as equal give and take and reunion and happiness, and then suddenly a Knight of Cups in reverse with the Magician in reverse. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. I'm stumped at this reading. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then I'm going to clarify all these cards and figure the story out. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Okay, I get the story now. All right. I have understood. Somebody's shutting down a chapter to say, I'd rather work on myself than work with or have a reunion with this person who's a heartbreaker, promise breaker, magician. Okay, why am I babbling? Let me start with the dialogue message cards, as I said, then we'll clarify these cards. I always look out for you because I love you unconditionally. I try to warn you about fake people with bad intentions who are out there to manipulate and use you. It cuts deep because you seem to trust everyone over me. We're getting older and wasting precious time playing these dumbass runner-chaser games. Let's just level the F up already. Are we doing this or what? This relationship seems more like a situationship right now. I feel like you're taking my love for granted. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, your intentions don't align with your actions. I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. I don't want to live in your life. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about, and I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. When you're away from me, I feel loneliness in my heart. I can't stop missing you and loving you. I need you here with me. Loving you is knowing what true love is. There's no logical explanation to my feelings. My heart only responds to yours. You are my endless love. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. I need some time to collect my thoughts. Yes. Okay, so these were some of your messages. I'm going to start, Aquarius, with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for this reading, then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So my angels for Aquarius, a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. Blessing, guidance, thank you. Mother. I think somebody is a little upset here, Aquarius. Somebody needs a little bit of TLC, tender loving care. When the mother card comes out, it's normally always maybe, yes, connect with your mom, maybe your mother can help, but it's also to give yourself that nurturing, loving, kindness. When you're feeling a little sad and broken, you need to nurture your inner child. Let's see why this card is here. Spirit, what's this World card for Aquarius? What's the World card? Yeah, somebody is not happy. Somebody is not happy, maybe not even talking to their partner right now, blocking them out. Maybe you guys have had a fight. There's been an argument or some rash words have been spoken, some fight happened. You guys maybe are quiet, not really having communication, not feeling happy at all. Chariot in reverse. Why is the Chariot in reverse, Spirit? Why is the Chariot in reverse? Things have gone the wrong direction, but I do feel somebody wants to now talk about it. I have a King of Swords who wants to now clear the air maybe. They want to change things around maybe after an ending has taken place. They're feeling bad that, things went such a bad direction or a wrong direction. They do want a return. They want either that person to return. Maybe yes, there has been a fight. Maybe one person was very stubborn. The other person could have been stern as well. I don't know what happened, but I think this Queen of Swords said enough is enough. I'm not going to take your, my way or the highway, rules anymore. I'm dropping you. Is that right, Spirit? Two of Pentacles in reverse. Two of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, though somebody is not. So yeah, somebody feels there's no partnership here. There's no partnership. My person doesn't open up. They don't tell the truth. They don't communicate properly. They don't apologize after they behave rudely with me. And I'm always stuck here waiting for them to do the right thing. But where is the partnership? I always feel breadcrumbed. Feeling very emotional right now. Feeling their partner probably keeps secrets from them. So, but heart of hearts, the problem is that at least one of you still wants to work on this connection. Feeling, I don't want to lose the love of my soulmate. This is my true partner. There's no logical explanation to my feelings, but the love is there, right? That's what the card said. Somebody does not want to lose the love of this partner. Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. They've been thinking. I think this is this King of Swords who's now been reflecting on the way they've treated their person. Maybe they've been busy with their own money and business and not giving enough time to their partner. They are ready now to not be that way anymore. They're realizing why this partner of theirs has been upset. They don't want to start afresh. This time, let's reunite and I will do the right thing. I will, have equal give and take. I will do right by you. Yes, they've kind of taken the blindfold off, and maybe earlier they were blind to whatever their person wanted from them, never making a decision in the favor of this partner of theirs, but they're ready now. They're ready now to choose a direction. Three of Cups. Three of Cups. Yes, they are understanding. They are understanding why this connection has halted. Could have been a third-party situation, and third party doesn't always have to be another woman or a man. Could have been their work, could have been anything that they snuck away from this connection to do. And they're realizing now that this was not right. This was injustice that I did. No wonder there is stagnancy in my connection. They're feeling quite terrible about this, Aquarius. They are feeling quite terrible about this. They're a bit afraid now that if they do go back for a reconciliation, that person may reject them now. Because in the past, I think they've been always breaking promises, never living up to whatever they say. But they are now wanting to do the right thing. If they were not committing in the past, Spirit says, they are now trying to look into the broader picture, their future. And yes, they are ready to offer this 10 of Pentacles. But the problem here is that that person could be now, the Queen of Swords, could be now blocking them and saying, hey, I don't trust you. You're a magician. You always say these things and you never do it. You never do the right thing. And there is a blockage. Things are a bit stuck at the moment. I think this person is not being able to... Okay, so there is a message coming. There is a message coming very soon from the person who this Queen of Swords thinks is a trickster. I don't think they are anymore. They have also learned a lesson here, I think. They've been in hermit mode. They do want to work on this connection. They are seeing their person as their wish fulfillment. And Spirit says, yes, they are ready to offer a brand new beginning. So what's this Lovers in reverse, Spirit? What's the Lovers in reverse? This Queen of Swords has decided, made a decision that I'd rather be alone, I'd rather be single, I'd rather take care of myself than trust somebody who always breaks promises. But the other person, Spirit says, is coming in to try for a rebirth or a reconciliation or a restart of this connection, because they see their person as not the pre-empress, 9 of Pentacles. They want them to be their wife, their forever person. They want a rebirth of this connection. They've made that choice, they've made that decision. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. If it resonated, don't forget to put a thumbs up. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.